Welcome to our bathroom in progress. The shower behind me is in the process of being tiled, and I purchased this beautiful drain for it, but unfortunately I cannot use it because of the system that the tile installers are using for our waterproofing. That being said, I do want to show you what it looks like and what comes in the box because I really wish we could use it, but unfortunately we can't. So this is the waterproofing system that the guys are using. It's called a Schluter system, and it has this really special drain type. So this type of drain fitting will not work with the Schluter drain system. If you don't have this Schluter system, then you should be fine. Just imagine how beautiful that would look with the tile. I'm so sad that we can't use it. In the box is an instruction manual. You have this little key to pull the drain up in order to clean underneath it. You have mounting hardware. There is a little hair catcher in here. Then you have this flange, which of course, as I mentioned, we cannot use with the Schluter system, but it does come with the flange. That's really nice. And then this piece screws into the flange, and this piece goes into the part that screws into the flange. Your hair catcher would go in here, and then you can use the key to lift this off when you would like to clean it out. This part is metal, all of it. It's all metal. This piece is a really thick, heavy-duty plastic, and this piece is also thick, heavy-duty plastic. Your hair catcher and your key are also metal.